Who do we try to be? Every day what do we hope to see? We all know it ain't tragedy. We all have a dream, we wanna be free. Half the time I just wanna hide, escape from the chaos on the other side. Try to stay focused, not fight the tide. It's gonna get bumpy, so enjoy the ride. Will there be a sign to all my friends? Will we cross the line? I don't want this to be the end of the line. Is it gonna be fine? Can I get just a little more time to decide what to leave behind? Something in the water, something in the air, something in the ether, something we all share. Something in the morning, something in the rain, something in the mountains, something we all gain. What is it we need that we cherish every day? What is it that matters and just who is it to say? Grievance and intolerance will always find a way. Don't be a clown, just shut it down. Love keeps it at bay. Don't mind, be kind. No part of life you can rewind. Get through what you gotta do. If you got a free hand, maybe help a few. Don't hide from the hurt inside. It's still gonna take it for a bumpy ride. Sure to get your head straight, never is it too late. Can't tell all the self-hate who can carry that weight. Flying like a seagull, just screaming the word. Hanging with my flock, harassing the herd. I know that it's wrong, but I'm told that it's right. Science is scary and ignorance wary of life, 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 life.